My family's been getting into pickleball recently, so I decided to pick up these paddle sets from Amazon so we can play together. Each set contains 2 paddles, 4 balls, and 1 carrying bag, and I couldn't decide which one of these colorways I like better, so I just ended up getting both. Since I got both of these sets, I figured it would be a good opportunity to make an unboxing video so you can see for yourself what these colorways look like in real life, and then test them out together to see how they work. Here we go. Starting with the first set, here we go. Nice. As you can see, we have the 4 pickleballs over here. Got 2 of them in a lime green and 2 of them in an orange color. Carrying case is quite nice. It appears to be somewhat akin to a crossbody bag with a single strap and a single zipper that goes across the bag with some additional storage spots as well. Let's go ahead and see the brackets. Ooh, very nice. Here's the first set of paddles. The first color is a sort of greenish black, and the second is a purplish pink. They're both made out of carbon fiber and seem pretty sturdy off that. The second set is very similar, of course, but as it is a little bit more premium, it comes with a set of cooling towels, which is a nice touch if you're going to play pickleball for a long time out in the heat or the sun. These are what the pickleball paddles for the second colorway looks like. As you can see, it has this really nice, rich premium blue and dark purple. Similar, but not completely the same as the cooling towels that they come with. And even though both of the sets come with a pinkish purple, as you can see, the second set's pink and purple is much deeper in the hue than the first sets. Now that I have both of these sets of paddles and their carrying cases, all there is left to do is bring them to the courts and test them out. Nice. And there you have it. As you can see, these paddles work really well. So if you're looking for a high quality pickleball set to pick up and have fun with your family, or if you're looking for a pair of rackets that are USA Pickleball approved, if you want to get serious about the sport, then pick up the set for yourself today and you're going to be set.